Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache on Vivo Y04 to free up space. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to clear cache of your device to free up space, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to install a third-party application for this because it is very frustrating to clear all the cache files one by one on every app. So we're going to install third-party app. Just open Play Store. Go to search bar and search for CC Cleaner just like this. Just tap on it as I have already searched for it. And here's the app. You just have to install this app. After installation, you just have to open the app as I have installed and I have already used the app. It is very easy to clear all the cache files. It will scan your device, and after scanning, it will give you a result which is you have used this space. And as you can see, I have already used 46% of the whole space, and I have 69.5 GB free space after using the app because it have already cleared all the cache files of my device. If you want to clear, you just have to tap on start here and then you can easily clear all the cache files on your phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.